Hey guys, this is part 2 of my house hunting. Honestly, the community and the neighborhood itself looks so much better compared to the first house. This is the second house. Unfortunately, this house also welcomed me with set of stairs. Luckily, there were not as many, so I didn't mind it as much. It looked like the tenant just moved out because it was really messy and dirty. Like the moment I entered into the house, there was so many things lying around, and the house itself looked really dirty. This was a townhouse. It has three bedroom and two bathroom. On the first floor, we have a kitchen, living area, one bedroom and one bathroom. The kitchen was in such a bad shape, like the cupboards were outdated, the tiles were broken, and honestly, this house needs a lot of renovation. Even the bedrooms were really small compared to the other houses that I've seen in the past. And the bathroom was also very, very dirty and very, very old. There is another set of stairs to go to the second floor, and on the second floor, we have two more bedrooms and one bathroom. I was quite surprised because none of this bedroom includes the closet. Honestly, I could not believe the owners are expecting 400K for this house. There were so many damages that needs to be fixed in this house first. So, including all the repairs, renovations, inspection, and cleaning, the total cost of the house is going way beyond my expected budget. So, I decided to pass on this house. But the best part about this house is definitely the garage. The garage is very big. It might fit like two cars. And the house itself is like really big. It was more than 2000 square feet. It was also in such a great community, even though it's not very close to the city. But there were also a lot of commute options to go to the city. So, what do you guys think about this house? Did you guys like the first house or the second house? Let me know in the comment section.